Alright friends, welcome to another quick and easy recipe. So I've decided to start making videos of my creations. I have a few cooking videos out there, but maybe I should do some more. So what we're doing here is making just pretty easy casserole. Just put some french fries in here, and over here I put a can of black beans. These are just generic black beans. I'll put some cream mushroom soup, and put some whole kernel corn, and some garbanzo beans. Alright, so these are drained. The corn is drained. I didn't drain the black beans because I want some juices in here. So just dump the corn, the black beans, the garbanzo beans, and the cream of mushroom soup in here. Okay. And I like casseroles or dishes that you can bake because mostly you just throw the ingredients together and set it and forget it. Come back in, a half hour or something. Usually prep time isn't much, and you can have a meal cooking while you're doing other stuff. So this is and plus you can make a pretty good sized meal with opening a few cans, some canned stuff. So I'm just going to mix this up a little bit. Now with the cream of mushroom soup, I'm going to add 1 extra can of milk in here too. And I like to kind of stir that milk around in the can and try to get all the cream of mushroom stuff out of it that I can get, Okay, and this is going to kind of soak into our french fries and just create a nice, hopefully desirable meal. And mix this together. I'm going to add some spices now. I like garlic, so I'm going to add some garlic powder in here. Probably a couple, like a tablespoon or so. We're going to go with some salt, and just kind of salt to taste. You can always undersalt or not salt too much, but if you oversalt, it's hard to make it unsalty. So don't go too overboard on the salt, because you can always put it on the table and people add more if they want to. But if you make something too salty, there's no turning back. Alright, there's that. I would like pepper too. I'm going to add about a tablespoon of pepper too. You can add basil, you can add oregano. These are pretty forgiving recipes. Now you can, with the potatoes, you can use tater tots if you want. You can cut your own potatoes. I just use the french fries because that's what we had, and it's easier than peeling and cutting the potatoes, but these work in a pinch too. So I'm going to take a little bit of olive oil and just kind of go around the edge here and maybe down the middle. And maybe that'll make it a little bit crispy. Okay, so that's about it. I'm going to go ahead and pour this now over the french fries. Dun, dun, dun. And we're just going to spread that goodness out all over the place. And there we go. So looking good, I'm thinking. Try to get most of the juices out of there. A lot of flavor there in the juices. So that, my friends, is about where we're at. Now I like to put some cheese on top. A lot of my recipes I use cheese, but I like cheese. What's a casserole without cheese, right? So throw some cheese on there. And I'm going to to put this in the oven at about 425. And we're going to put that in there for 1/2 hour. Okay, and then we'll check on it after a 1/2 hour. Okay, everybody. It's been, I actually put in for a 1/2 hour, and then I did another about 10 minutes. And look at that. Golden brown on top. Nice and bubbly. Looks pretty delicious to me. Time will tell. Get a load of that. Isn't that pretty? Okay. So, that's the casserole there, or my dish. I think it turned out pretty good. I'll let you guys know. Anyways, so I made some hummus too. Cut up some apple slices, some kind of can of beets, and some stuff. So there's dinner for tonight. Quick and easy. Probably the hummus took the longest. I made a video of that too. You guys can check it out on my cooking videos. But thanks for watching, my friends. And when I make something else, I'll share it with you guys. So have a great day. We'll see you next time. Okay, so I just took a little bite of the potatoes there. And they're nice and soft. The cheese is nice and crisp on top. I'm thinking all these flavors together are going to make a nice, tasty meal there. So you can chop up onions and throw it in there, mushrooms. I do a lot of stuff with onions and mushrooms. I like those. So, all right, I won't be back again. Thanks for watching.